In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add voiceover on Facebook Reels. First of all, make sure you have updated your Facebook app to latest version. Now go to your Facebook app and log into your account. Tap this plus icon, select Reel to create a new reel. And now I'm uploading an existing video from my gallery. And now to add voiceover, in this right hand menu, tap on audio. Tap on add voiceover, and now before recording your voiceover you can just select a location where you want to add a voiceover. So I'm selecting this part and then I'm tapping on this record button and we can see the voiceover is recording. You can pause the recording just like this, and if your video mute in this middle part you can just move this slider, and then from here you can again record your second voiceover. So that's how we can actually add voiceover to our Facebook Reels. Again, tap on audio and we can see the voiceover edit. You can adjust your voiceover sound volume. And this is your voiceover, this is your main video volume. If you want to mute your main video audio, you can just mute it from here. And tap on done. That's how you can actually do it.